How to make mustard fried fish. Season your fish to your desire. And after you season, do this. Fish, you want to take your mustard and put it across the fish. And rub it in. And flip it on the other side and do the same thing. Have seasoned your fish. Make sure you batter it with cornmeal or flour you can use. Make sure your skillet is hot at that 360 Fahrenheit on that grease. Go into the skillet and down, and there you go. Look at how it's frying. You're gonna flip it in 7 minutes. After 18 to 20 minutes of frying, take your fish out. Drain on a rack or a paper towel. Voila! Look at that mustard fried fish. You can use any fish you desire.